freshly squeezed orange juice just hits differently. It's fresher, tastes better, and lets you skip the added sugars and preservatives found in many store-bought juices. Whether you're making orange juice for breakfast, squeezing lemons for cooking, or preparing fresh lime juice for your favorite drinks, a good citrus juicer can save you time and effort. But not all citrus juicers are created equal. Some are designed for speed. Others focus on getting every last drop of juice, while some let you control how much pulp ends up in your glass. The best choice depends on how often you juice and the features that matter most to you. For this list, we compared performance, ease of use, cleaning, customer feedback, and overall value to find 5 citrus juicers that are genuinely worth considering. Whether you're shopping on a budget or looking for a more premium model, there's something here for you. Let's get started. Starting our list is the Eurolux Electric Citrus Juicer, a compact machine that's perfect for anyone who wants fresh citrus juice without spending a lot of money. Its modern design doesn't take up much counter space, making it a great option for apartments and smaller kitchens. One feature that buyers really appreciate is the automatic one-touch operation. Simply press your fruit onto the cone and the juicer starts working, making it quick and easy to prepare fresh orange, lemon, lime, or grapefruit juice. The stainless steel finish also gives it a more premium look than many budget juicers. The biggest drawback is that its juice container isn't as large as some competitors, so if you're preparing several glasses of juice at once, you may need to empty it more often. Some users also mention that larger grapefruits can require a bit more effort. Overall, the Eurolux is a great budget-friendly choice for people who want a compact electric citrus juicer that's easy to use, easy to clean, and delivers consistently good results. Coming in at number 4 is the Black Plus Decker 32-ounce Citrus Juicer, an affordable model that's been a popular choice for years thanks to its simple design and dependable performance. One of its standout features is the large 32-ounce juice container, making it easy to prepare enough juice for the whole family in one session. It also includes adjustable pulp control, allowing you to customize your juice exactly the way you like it. The auto-reversing cone helps extract more juice from each piece of fruit with very little effort. The trade-off is that this is a fairly basic machine. It doesn't have the premium build quality or extra features you'll find on more expensive models, and some users mention that it works best with oranges, lemons, and limes rather than very large citrus fruits. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable citrus juicer that gets the job done without unnecessary extras, the Black Plus Decker 32-ounce citrus juicer is an excellent value and an easy recommendation. Taking the number 3 spot is the Cuisinart Pulp Control Citrus Juicer, a great option for anyone who likes having more control over how their fresh juice turns out. If you're particular about the amount of pulp in your orange or grapefruit juice, this machine makes it easy to customize every glass. One of its standout features is the adjustable pulp control, which lets you choose between less pulp or a richer, pulp-filled juice. It also features an auto-reversing reamer that helps extract more juice from each piece of fruit, while the final spin feature squeezes extra juice from the pulp before you're finished. Many buyers also appreciate that most removable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. One drawback is that it's slightly larger than some compact citrus juicers, so it will require a little more counter or storage space. It's also priced a bit higher than basic models, although many owners feel the extra features make the higher price worthwhile. Overall, if you regularly make fresh citrus juice and want more control over the final result, the Cuisinart Pulp Control Citrus Juicer is an excellent choice that balances performance, convenience, and ease of cleaning. At number 2 is the Vinci Hands-Free Electric Citrus Juicer, one of the most convenient citrus juicers on the market. Instead of holding the fruit while it's juicing, this machine does almost everything for you, making it an excellent choice for busy mornings or anyone who wants the easiest juicing experience possible. Simply place half of your orange, lemon, lime, or grapefruit into the machine, close the lid, and press the button. The hands-free design takes care of the rest, producing fresh juice with very little effort. Buyers frequently praise its convenience, consistent juice extraction, and modern design that looks great on the kitchen counter. The main downside is the price. It's one of the more expensive citrus juicers on this list, so it may not be the best fit if you're only making fresh juice occasionally. Some users also mention that because of its unique design, it takes up a little more storage space than simpler models. If convenience is your top priority and you want a citrus juicer that does most of the work for you, the Vinci hands-free electric citrus juicer is definitely worth considering. Taking our top spot is the Elite Gourmet ETS 623 Citrus Juicer, a machine that delivers an excellent combination of performance, value, and everyday practicality. It offers many of the features people want in an electric citrus juicer without the premium price tag, making it a great fit for most households. The ETS 623 includes a generous juice container, adjustable pulp control, and an auto-reversing cone that helps extract more juice while reducing waste. It's simple to operate, easy to clean, and compact enough to fit comfortably on most kitchen counters. Many owners also appreciate that it handles everything from small limes to large oranges with very little effort. Like most electric citrus juicers, it's designed specifically for citrus fruits, so it won't replace a traditional juicer if you also want to juice vegetables or harder fruits. Some users also note that applying gentle, even pressure gives the best results, especially with larger oranges. For most people, though, those are minor trade-offs. If you're looking for an affordable, dependable citrus juicer that's easy to use and consistently produces fresh, delicious juice, the Elite Gourmet ETS 623 is our top pick for 2026. The best citrus juicer ultimately depends on how you plan to use it. If you're looking for an affordable everyday option, the Eurolux and Black Plus Decker both offer excellent value. The Cuisinart is perfect for anyone who wants greater control over pulp and maximum juice extraction, while the Vinci stands out for its hands-free convenience. But if you're looking for the best overall balance of performance, features, ease of use, and value, the Elite Gourmet ETS 623 is our top recommendation. You'll find links to all the citrus juicers featured in this video in the description below. If you decide to purchase through those links, we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Our recommendations are based on product features, expert reviews, and customer feedback to help you make a more informed buying decision. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Home and Kitchen Finds for more honest product comparisons, buying guides, and the best kitchen finds to help you shop smarter. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.